Hey guys, good evening. So it's already the daytime, so I'm gonna vlog today and tomorrow, put them together, or unless this video is pretty long, but we'll see. So right now we're going to go through my makeup. I'm trying to declutter, trying to clean little by little, just because I want to do more makeup tutorials on my TikTok and Instagram, and I'm gonna pass it on to this girl right here. So we'll see what she gets. I'm
a makeup artist.
Yes, you are. And then I just want to declutter. I want to declutter little by little, starting off with my makeup. Okay.
Look at Marlon, just looking at us.
She was like, what the heck? Foundations you don't need.
No. I'm natural.
Right? You're natural, beautiful. Oh, I can put this up here before it closes. Oh my god. Fuck, I forgot about this hole. Oh my god, guys. I forgot about this.
Yeah. Here, let me help you. No.
Hold on. Right here.
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on. Where is it at? And I'm gonna poke it through. There. There. I'll poke it through. I'll poke it through after. Like, start it. Ma'am. And that's the reason why I don't want you doing it.
Well, you have horrible...
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on.
You just do it from inside, kind of.
Mom, Kitty, give me one moment.
So yeah, I just got the rest of the week off.
That's good. ¿Qué te hiciste? Which dog is it? Which dog is it?
Oh, I think I just sold another dog.
What dog is it?
It's a dangerous journey to Neltham. Under the name.
What dog? Okay, anyways, guys, you guys want to see our puppies? They're so cute.
Right there, bro.
Look at the puppies.
And then
Okay, so anyways, let's clean out. Yeah, I'm gonna throw everything on top. I really need to find the SD card because you guys, I cannot for the life of me. Okay, this is bothering me. At least I'll have like 3 days for it before it closes or something. Ma'am, you were gonna throw this?
You said put everything on top.
Sorry, I did not see that. I thought it was just the box. Never mind. I just want to clear it out because I was trying.
I'm gonna try to.
Do you want highlighters or anything like this one?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give my daughter this one. I guess that's what happens when you have fucking kids. Daughter, one and only daughter.
She gets everything you
Yes.
down to her.
I have had this forever. I think it's been like, I don't know.
I remember you had that.
Yeah. That one's mine.
Kylie.
What up? Need your help?
Well, I mean, might as well just use it all. Come
Get
here.
my hair.
I'll be taking all of these, mother. Move. Here. Okay, anyways,
Coke. That's what she named it. Kylie Cosmetics.
Here. Yeah, I am right now. Could you close it again on the top? Anyways. Yeah, like we were saying, this one's a little cracked, Nina, but you can still have it, okay?
Okay. I remember you.
I had this Luminoso for, I know it's like,
is older than me.
no, I probably got this in like 2012 if I'm not mistaken, and I still have it. I love this one. This is something I cannot get rid of for my own reasons and personal reasons. This one too, I've had since like 2011 or 12.
Is that Selena?
And I cannot get rid of it because some personal reasons. I can't get rid of it. This is a MAC. I don't fucking know. Anyways. brushes, you can have this one.
What's that one used for?
Like, you know, here. You can have this one right here. Cool, I don't know why I'm not focused. Matter of fact, let me just put the light on this one. Where's the fucking...
Oh my lord!
Oh my Lanta. Okay.
Look how
So I had to bring the ring light closer. So she can have this one. Do not mess this one up. Like, you can use it, but so this is from when I was starting my own eyeshadow like brush line. It's called Islay Beauty. So I'm gonna give this one to her.
keeping that one forever.
Some of them you might have to wash, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Like this one. This one's like for all
I
over.
use that.
Yeah.
Use your brushes.
Use that one. Close that blind from the back. Like literally, there's so much stuff that I don't use, and my daughter can actually use it.
Oh,
This
found my brush. Oh, this is from. Oh no,
No, that one's different.
Yeah.
I've had this Sonia Keshik brush since 2010 or 11 too. That one and this one, and just takes me back to my happy place. Anyways, you can have this one, this one.
What about that black one?
Which one? Yeah, you can have these.
Okay.
This one too, I've had forever.
Don't mind me just dropping them.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, here.
That bowl.
Sorry.
I'm gonna move this and put some things here.
Okay.
Okay, next floor.
This one you can use for like under the eyes with the highlighter or something. All right. And then this is actually all mine for like Islay Beauty. Destiny, stop. Si no, no te voy a dar nada, cabrona. You don't even wear lipstick.
No, I don't.
Or lip. No, huh?
No.
Glitters. These are, oh my god, I've had these for so long and they're so dried out that it's like
They're useless.
not even. This one is my favorite from MAC. I'll give you this one, this one.
I don't want glitters.
Oh, you don't? Oh,
No.
okay. Let's see. I use this one. I use this one. You can have this one. She can have this one. I don't use. Oh, hello. This one I don't use at all. I haven't even used it. I just swatch them. They have nice colors and everything, but it's just not my thing. Like, I don't know. And I know she'll like it. So is this one right here.
The Hocus Pocus.
Make sure it doesn't. I'll put it right here because I don't want it to fall. Let's see.
I take that one right there.
She can have this one. Is browns and neutrals. This is EXO Cosmetics. What else?
It's like $50. Not even $50. $100 right here. But
I love this one so much. This is the
Simpsons.
The Simpson ones to do like colorful looks and stuff. I want to get into colorful looks. I might give this to her after I do the videos. So
I remember you told me that I could buy this off of you when you're so sad.
yeah, she can have this one. Once again, is very colorful looks.
That's funny.
And then she can have this one. This one I don't really use. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep this one just because I like the mirror.
I feel like it's perfect for me.
Yeah, and you don't really use neutrals. You like, no, colorful.
I like colorful.
Yeah, so I was gonna give this one to her, but I'm gonna just keep this one. Let's see. I have this one I haven't used, but I don't want it, so she can have it.
Oh, both Hocus Pocus.
So I'm giving this one to her. It's literally brand new. I never used it. The only one that I like, I know, the only one I like is this one. And probably this one, these two.
Oh, those are pretty.
But, yeah.
You're like, I'm never gonna use it.
Yeah. I got that one. Let me see.
Oh my god, blood sugar. No,
I never used
that's gonna make me look emo.
Definitely. I have more over there. I just got this one too.
Tony probably.
Okay, this was brand new before I left, and I came back to this.
T-O-N-Y, check.
All right, so let's go to, sorry. Let's go to this side over here.
T-O-N-Y, check.
Oh, mommy, look, put him here.
Okay.
Anyways, oh, put the ring light this way, turn it around.
Here's your white bag.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, so now I'm gonna go to the other drawer. You can have this one, baby. It's a peach.
Look, a Chanel card.
Look.
Oh, that smells good. I know, that smells good.
Yeah, it's really good. So in this drawer, let me show you guys. These drawers, I have this, I have this, I have these, I got these, I got these. So I'm going to get rid of the, I'm just trying to really trying to find, yeah, and trying to find my SD card. I don't know where. I'm gonna look everywhere.
It's
literally.
not in that pouch?
No, it's smaller. I love these ones. These ones are from Dose of Colors. Those are really good.
I don't know what that is.
You want these? These are like for your pores. Like just.
Sure.
I just got these ones. I just got actually before leaving to Mexico.
What is it?
Like palettes. This one's no. Nothing from here. Okay, what we have here is this one. She can use this for a mirror. This one I kind of broke. So she can have that one. Excuse me.
Dude, I don't know what we're doing.
I know. This one, I was gonna come out with my own eyeshadows, but it was in the works. It was in the works, but I don't know what happened.
I don't know.
And these ones are just my other ones that you cannot have. Because I use them all. Okay, hold on. Whew. Lashes that I haven't worn. Do you even wear lashes?
Okay.
Okay, you can have that one. Simple ones, natural ones, that one. I like this one. Hey, Ninja Kids, what's going on? Where is there another one? That one.
Which is more lashes.
Yeah, I've worn all of these, mommy. Okay. And then I know she likes eyeliner, so we're gonna throw in one eyeliner. And that's it. Happy girl. Don't mind the fucking dirt. Those are for my dogs. Where else can that shit be at? I doubt it. I know we came in and
She put it in the mailbox. I put it right by the door.
by the door. Do you think by the microwave maybe? Or on top?
Have we ever cleaned the microwave, the bottom?
I don't know. Maybe before it was. I don't know. Anyways, guys, yeah. So, whoa. I think that's it. I'm trying to find the other.
Can I have the dollar right here?
Go ahead. Have to go pee now. So, anyways, guys, that was it. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit more, but pretty much that's all we did today. Honestly, nothing exciting. But someone's happy. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this like quick vlog or video. So yeah, so I hope you guys stay tuned for next video. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. I don't know what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to talk about. Do you want me to do mukbang? Do you guys want me to do ASMR? What would you guys like me to do? So let me know.
Sue,
and this is what happened. This one just popped off from
Sue Ulta.
no, this is from
ColourPop.
ColourPop. Anyways, yeah,
Sue ColourPop.
so I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.
It's thumbs up and subscribe and boo. And subscribe and say a poo poo.
Say bye, guys.
Poo. Bye guys.